So good morning students. We are coming back again to the chapter number 15, integrated exercise, and exercise 15 or 15.1 is not in the syllabus. Only the sums 5, 6, 7, 8 from the integrated exercise are included in the syllabus. It is on the page number 230 of your book. Now come to the sum number 5. Fill in the blanks. A triangle has dash vertices, dash side and dash angles. All of you know a triangle has 3 vertices, 3 sides and 3 angles. Each angle of an equilateral triangle measures dash. Each angle of equilateral triangle measure क्या होता है इसका 60 degree. Next is the sum of two sides of a triangle is dash than the third side. The inequality property that we have done in the learning points also. किसी भी दो sides का sum क्या होना चाहिए greater than the third sides. Next is the sum of angles of a triangle is always 180 degree by angle sum property that we have discussed before. Next is an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of dash interior angles. This is included in the properties of, you can check the properties of exterior angle, that it is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. Next is sum number 6. Can a triangle have, किसी triangle में जो कंडीशंस नीचे लिखी हैं दैट आर पॉसिबल और नोट. फर्स्ट इज ईच एंगल लेस देन 60 डिग्री. नो. if all the angles of a triangle will be less than 60 degree, the sum will not be equal to 180. So the triangle is not possible when the sum of all angles is not equal to the 180 degree. This is the must property to be the angles of a triangle. Next is each angle equal to 60 degree. Yes, it is possible because we know a triangle whose each angle is equal to the 60 degree, that is equilateral triangle. Next is each angle greater than 60 degree. It is not possible because each angle, if each angle will be greater than 60 degree, then the sum will not be equal to the 180 degree. But by angle sum property we know that every angle, the sum of all the angles should be equal to the 180 degree, not less than 180, not greater than 180 degree. It should be equal to the 180 degree only, then the triangle is possible. Next is two right angles. If two are right angles, 90 plus 90 will be 180 degree, and the third angle will make it greater than 180 degree. So it is not possible to have two right angles in a triangle. Next is sum number 7, which is which of the following sides can be the possible lengths of a triangle. Which of the following angles, different angles are given, you can add them all, you can add the measure of all the angles and check whether the sum is equal to 180 degree or not. Because by angle sum property, the sum of all the angles, all the given angles should be equal to the 180 degree. Here I have done it for you. The sum of all the angles is equal to the 160 degree, which is not equal to 180. Therefore, these cannot be the angles of a triangle. Next part, 90 plus 50 plus 60. This is 200. This is also not equal to 180 degree. 200 is greater than 180 degree. So these cannot be the possible measures of angles of a triangle. Again, third part. In the third part, the angle, the sum of all angles is equal to the 180 degrees. So these can be the angles of a triangle. That means triangle is possible with all these three measures. Next is question number 8. Which of the following can be the length of sides of a triangle? Write yes or no. So three sides are given. Let them be equal to A, B, C. And you have to apply here the inequality property here. We will check three cases. A plus B should be greater than C. B plus C should be greater than A. And A plus C should be greater than B. सभी केसेस में क्या होना चाहिए? Any two sides, sum of any two sides should be greater than third side. So if I am talking about this sum, I have done it for you here. 5 plus 6 is not greater than the third side. 5 plus 6 is 11, which is not greater than 11. So next is B plus C. First I have added first two sides, then next two sides, then first and last side. So in the first case, sum of two sides is not greater than the third side. So these three cannot be the measures of the sides of a triangle. These three cannot be the length of sides of a triangle. In the second part, again check by adding first two sides. Sum of first two sides should be greater than third side. Then you can take other two sides. B plus C should be greater than A. Then A plus C. Write it as ABC. ABC. A plus B should be greater than C. B plus C should be greater than A, and A plus C should be greater than B. Suppose them as A, B, C and check all these three conditions. If the conditions are being satisfied, then the triangle is possible with these sides. Otherwise, no. Here all the conditions are being satisfied. In all the cases, the sum of any two sides is greater than third side. So triangle is possible with these sides. Now you have to try these next sums also and complete it on your notebook. Sum number 7 and 8, all the parts complete on your notebook. Also you have to read all these points, these all points which are in the nutshell. This can occur as the learning point, this can occur as the blanks, true, false in your exams. Read all these points. We will discuss the problem later on. The queries you will face, we will discuss them later on. Thanks to all of you.